Alrighty guys, hi there, welcome back to the channel, and I have just created the goddess of Athena, or I have just drawn her, I should say. It's one of the famous statues. I couldn't tell you where it is, but I just typed in Athena and this is what came up. It's one of the ones that have got no arms, so yeah, you'll see her, but so she's actually not got any, her hair's up, but in the first two I've actually drawn it down. So yeah, I'll just get on with it. So sorry, my camera just went all over the place there, I do apologise. So the first one, good speed. I utilised the Loomis and observational methods with gestural for the hair. I left it quite simple this time, purely so that I could get all of the drawing in, and also so it wasn't just completely chaotic and just overboard. I believe I got the structure and in proportion, so I'm really happy with the first result. Yes, it did need work, but it was a good start. And yeah, so on with the second one. I'm going to keep it quite short compared to the last one. I just rambled a little bit, so I do apologise. The second one, I went slightly heavy-handed on the eyebrows and around the nose, so I wanted to get away from that. That's one issue that I do need to work on and continue to work on because I keep on going back to it, so that's an issue with my style at the moment. So again, good speed, worked more on the arms or the lack of arms. I think what was throwing me off originally was because they were kind of not there, so I didn't really know what to do, if that makes sense. And I was trying to see if they would be in proportion with the breast area. So I managed to create a better structure specifically around the midsection where the belly button is. I'm really happy with that one, especially around the neck and collarbone and shoulder area. Again, I drew in some hair with the gestural method, and it's the same methods as before, the Loomis and observational, and it was good speed too. The last one, I stayed with the hairstyle of the structure of the statue, I should say, and made it slightly smaller so I could get more in, or it looked more, I don't know, I just went, compared to the other ones it's quite smaller. I don't know whether maybe I just ran out of space, but yeah, it ended up being a little bit smaller. So, and I also kept it quite simple on the face. I didn't add as much detail, even though the first two don't have much detail at all. It was even less on the third one. But you do get the idea of where the features are, and also the bone structure. So yeah, I'm really happy with it, and I'm really happy with the torso area, and as well as the shoulders and breast area. I am overall really happy with the efforts and improvements I'm making so far. If you haven't already, give me a wee comment, and I would really appreciate if we could build a wee community of art lovers or people who enjoy drawing or doodling, whatever. Just let me know what you think, and I shall catch you in the next video. Bye!